Welcome to Amanwella in beautiful Sri Lanka. We are in the Tangal area in the southern coast of Sri Lanka. This is room 110. It is an ocean view villa. And these villas all come with a plunge pool as you walk in, which is a decent sized plunge pool actually. And there's some outdoor seating space right at the front. As you walk into the room, you see the bedroom and some desk space. You've got mini bar, which all the non-alcoholic items are included. And we will pan out to the beautiful view. It's a short walk down to the beach. You can tell the beautiful blue water amongst the coconut trees. And this is there's some outdoor seating space here as well. And then you walk back in. Of course, there's the bedroom again. And then we have the bathroom. And the bathroom, you've got the tub area there. And then you've got the vanity sink area. And then the restroom, and then the shower. So a beautiful property. The main areas are kind of right when you enter, and you can go there for your meals, or you can opt to have it in your room, of course. And there you have it, Amanwella in beautiful Sri Lanka.